Alright, got my G&T. Time for a Christmas build. So, I haven't done a proper whoop before. I mean, I did do a whoop. I've got a whoop. This is my whoop, but really it's kind of like a tadpole build. I mean, it flies pretty well. I think they're 2.5 inch props. Got an H7 on there with the, I mean, it all just crammed in. And I added the prop guards, so it was all just a bit cobbled together. So yes, nice, but not what you might call a proper whoop. I mean, got a nice arm mounted frame, but still, I wanted to build a proper whoop. So this is one. So this is the Pavo20 Pro, and obviously there's loads of whoops out there. The reason I picked this is a few people on the forums are trying to get this flying, and it also has a flight controller that is currently not really supported. So I thought I would try and get this going with HD video. So I've got the O3 air unit, so I'm not quite sure, slightly confused about whether this is going to be too big, but I don't have an O3 air unit. I've got all the other different air units, but I thought a different air unit would be good. Going to need to put a compass and GPS on because it's Argent Pilot, and this came with a pack of extra stuff. Frame HD VTX black. So this is the HD frame. So clearly I think the original one has analog support. I'm going to try and put an HD frame on it, so it's got some extra bits and pieces here. Got a couple of batteries. I think this was the one. Yeah, plug and play TBS. So this is the Crossfire version, so it should be good. And got some extra filters for the O3 camera. So clearly they think you should be able to put an O3 camera on this. So I'm going to give it a go. So let's crack open this box. Alright, I'll probably just press pause and check that I'm all recording properly. Alright, that checks out okay, so let's keep going. Pavo20 Pro. Beta FPV. So Beta FPV make a bunch of relatively good price kit. Oh! Alright, so I'm not going to have to do an awful lot of building of this copter. It's clearly, you know, plug and play. Nice. Alright, so okay, fine. So we've got a little mount there. Well, that makes the build extremely easy. Well, I say that extremely easy. Of course, it doesn't, because I have to get a GPS on there somehow. I have to do a port of the flight controller, and yeah, I've got these interesting props, which I guess it flies upside down like that, probably with the battery on the bottom. So very nice. All right, so I guess let's see what else is in the mounting box. All right, so this guy. This is the HD frame kit. Alright, so we've got a little extra I can't help feeling that I've been sold something I already have. What have we got here? That's a spare frame that looks identical. I should say that the RG Pilot Foundation paid for all this, so thanks RG Pilot Foundation. Very nice. So that is identical. Alright, don't need that. Okay, so we've got this, which is also identical. Don't need that. We've got this, which is also identical. Interesting. Okay. Must be for the battery. So I think what I've been what I've got is in here is essentially an entirely duplicate frame. So I don't think I need any of these things as far as I can tell. It all looks like the same stuff. HD VTX frame, HD VTX. Well, it just all looks like the same stuff. Yeah. So clearly the Pro is an HD VTX frame anyway. So don't need that. Sounds good. I mean, it takes these little tiny motors. I should probably do some sort of giveaway for that, but that's not required. So the battery is like this, and these go in here, I would think. Yeah, nice in there. Yeah, it just fits there, which is very nice. These are Lava series. These are 3S, 550 milliamp hour 3S. So not going to be burning all right, and then that's the I see. So this has basically been equipped with HD out of the box. I think wasn't clear from the website that was what was going on, but if I look at the A3 unit, there is indeed a little HD supply there, which looks very, very, very similar. Nice. So somehow, yeah. So that's the A3 unit. That will be going, yeah, okay. So that will fit there. That's for the camera. Nice. So it really is just plug and play. So probably what I'm going to do before I start plugging and playing is porting the flight controller. So I think someone made a start on this, but yeah, that's very nice. Now the other question is, where is... Okay, so here is... Interesting. So this is the TBS aerial. So that is not long enough. That looks more like a tracer aerial. Can't really see. In there. Difficult to see in there what's actually going on. Put my old man glasses on so I can better see. Alright, so yeah, so the CSF module is wedged in there. Since that aerial is not long enough, I'm guessing that this might be, these are quite thick, I'm guessing this might be folded in some way. Or else they're just playing fast and loose with the reception. I suppose it's a whoop, might just be flying indoors. So, very nice. Okay, and then we've got some kind of USB connector here. Some spare props. USB connector here, which is cool. That goes on here. There. Now the question is, oh yeah, there's the DFU button. Just about see in there. So I'm going to be able to do this with DFU. So what I'll do is, I don't think there's a, I'll have to see what the port is, but the DSCs are integrated into this, so it'll be quite important to get BD shot working. But Betaflight should be on here, so I should be able to hook it up, download the Betaflight hardware config, convert that to IGPilot, away I go. Alright, so I'll probably do that next. I'm not going to fly Betaflight on this. It's a nice looking piece of kit. Alright, so easiest unboxing in the world. So this guy will go on top here somewhere. Not exactly clear to me which way around this goes. Probably that way around, I would guess. Does seem a bit weird that the camera. Yeah, it goes. So that's the way the camera is mounted. Nice. Right, fun and games. Yeah, it looks like it goes like that. Very cool. Okay, right, so quick port of the flight controller. I'm not going to do a video of the port. I've already got a video about how to do a port. But, let's see if we can get that going. Very nice.